Question 17. Solve the equation 5x squared plus 8x minus 23 equals 0. So we have a quadratic equation. Show your working clearly. Give your solutions correct to 3 significant figures. So if you've got a quadratic equation and you are being asked to round your answers, that implies that your answers are not nice. They're not going to be nice numbers, which means that this cannot be factorized. So there's going to be no factorizing going on in this question as soon as you see rounding involved. Now you can technically do this by completing the square, but given the fact that you have this nice shiny formula at the beginning, where if you have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, check, we do have that, then you can use the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All you then have to do is the following. 1, quote a, b, and c carefully, making sure that when you have any negatives, you substitute them in brackets. So in this case here we have that minus 23 is c, and I almost forgot about that a in the bottom. Okay, so we have our a is 5, our b is 8, and our c is negative 23. When I sub that into the formula, we're going to end up with the following. Minus 8 plus or minus square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 5 times, I'm running out of space here, minus 23 all over 2 times 5. Now technically I can type this into the calculator as is. The only thing I've got to be careful of is this plus minus. You're going to get 2 answers here. One of them is you type it into the calculator using the plus symbol, and the other one is you type into the calculator using the minus symbol, which basically you go back and edit what you typed in the first time. If you do that, using the plus symbol, we're going to end up with 1.49, correct the 3 significant figures, and minus 3.09 when we use the negative, correct the 3 significant figures. So we have 2 answers here. We have x equals 1.149 or x equals minus 3.09. Done.